you getting the MSVCP140.dll, VC Runtime 140_1.dll, or Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime error while launching AutoCAD on PC? This issue can prevent AutoCAD from opening properly. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix these errors on Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 installer. Download the x64 installer. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Double-click the x64 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.